Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve 99 cube minus 48 cube minus 51 cube. So let's start with the today's video solution. So first I'm going to write it as 99 whole cube plus minus 48 whole cube plus minus 51 whole cube. Now we know the very famous identity, that is a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equals to a plus b plus c, and in another bracket a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca plus 3abc. So I am taking a is equals to 99 and b is equals to minus 48 and c is equals to minus 51. So here our a plus b plus c is equals to 0 because 99 minus 48 minus 51 is 0. So if I put a plus b plus c as 0, so if we multiply with this bracket, then it becomes 0, so only 3a b c is left. So the formula is for a cube plus b cube plus c cube, when a plus b plus c is 0, is equals to 3abc. So let's put the value of a, 99 times b minus 48 times c minus 51. So when we multiply all the four numbers, we get 727056. I hope it's clear and easy to solve. If you find it useful, please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.